Are you looking for an investment property? If so, I think I have the perfect spot. It is right between Springfield and Branson. Now, if you know anything about Branson, Missouri, you know it has quite a heavy tourist industry. Branson has approximately, last count, 7.2 million people who visit each year. That's amazing. So, would you like to be in on that? I have the perfect investment property. Let's go take a drive. Okay, we are driving down Highway 65, and this is about 15 miles from Springfield, and we're going to go up the Highlandville ramp, and then we're going to turn right. And as you can see, this is just a little jot off of Highway 65, and then turning right, we are right there for the land. It is 17.5 acres. And you may wonder, why is she showing us this land in winter? Well, the Ozarks are lovely no matter what. But in wintertime, you can really see with the foliage gone what you're getting. And this piece of land is gently rolling and would make the perfect spot for a convenience store and a restaurant. And you go south to Branson and north to Springfield, and you have all of these tourists and people coming from Highlandville, Nixa, Springfield, Ozark, Branson, Forsyth coming your way. It is a perfect opportunity for anyone who wants to jump on it. If you would like more information on this beautiful piece of property, just give me a shout, send me an email, give me a call, and let's see what we can work out. I'm Susan Holland with the Firm Real Estate Agency, and I love living in the Ozarks.